Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Solscan to track Solana transfers and signatures, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Solscan's official web. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the Solana wallet address you wish to track and press enter. Wait for the results page to display information related to the wallet. To view transfer history, scroll down to the transactions section. Here, you can see all past transactions associated with that wallet. For detailed information on each transaction, click on the transaction hash. A new page will open, showing you extensive details about the transaction. To track signatures, return to the wallet overview page. Find the signature section listed under the wallet information. Click on any signature to view more details about that specific transaction. If you want to monitor multiple wallets, repeat the search process for each address. You can also bookmark the Solscan page for easy access in the future. Explore additional features like charts or token holdings for deeper insights. Utilize the filter options to narrow down transaction types if needed. Now, you can effectively track transfers and signatures on Solana using Solscan. Monitor transactions regularly for updates on your wallet activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.